want you to understand something. That when I come up in this bitch, I want the fans jumping. I want the fist pumping.
Scare me. I'm scared. Shut up. I'm not even lying. Just do it.
Won't you fill your cup? Shadies come to fill you up. Are you a D or a C cup? You could even be a B. It's just me and DRE. You'll be in the ER. We are strapped with so much TNT. We may blow, no, not even CPR from the EMT.
Okay, one. I'm gonna stamp it. 1, 2, 3.
Can't you bust a grape? What's my name? Shady came and just crushed the game. It's the middle of the game. So much they might as well wear skin. Don't you wish you could just share a spin? This shit's getting embarrassing. The ball is thick and embarrassing. Cause we won't even let them You just hit the lottery. Now this should be the part of the song that they drop the needle on it now.
Here, wait till the camera only goes up. I'm serious, y'all shouldn't allow me to have it.
Everywhere we go, it seems we're looking for any excuse to just move. They drop the needle on and hell breaks loose.
This is when shit hits the fan like it just splattered on stand. This is the only moment that matters. Your homie holding the matters like chaos and rubber. Sends it back to the
Hey, dude, come here. Stab myself.
It makes them stay in the trance. No choice, they have to die.
It's like the playoffs, just making sure that we stay in the hunt. Take a day off of what, man, you better lay off the blunts.
Great. I'm trying.
Stay on my nuts. Now hit the floor, baby. Time to wipe away all the rust. Shake all the cobwebs loose. Smell a little bit of Grey Goose. Yeah, girl, shake that caboose. I don't wanna see you try to make no excuse. DRE is on the loose. I'm on a goose when it comes to the chronic use. You know I can't stand to lose. Me and my goose are
That was ridiculously lame.
like a pack of wolves. We came here to retract the roof. Yeah, man, ain't that the truth? Girl, that man's back in the mirror.
That was so lame. You know,
You were burning the videotape. Good job, y'all.